This is a summary of the essential content from the geography topic, the water cycle. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key facts or key concepts from this course topic. The water cycle is the movement of water from atmosphere to land and back again. Human activity can impact the water cycle, altering the natural flow and distribution of water on Earth. The sun's heat causes water to evaporate from the ocean and water surfaces. The water vapor rises, leading to condensation and ultimately rain. The water then can return to the sea through rivers. But this is just a simple cycle. Most of the Earth's water is stored in oceans, while a small percentage is found in rivers, lakes, and underground. Mountains play a crucial role in the water cycle, as they receive the majority of precipitation. What happens here will determine the amount of water downstream. Rainfall can follow different routes, either running off the land, being stored in rivers or lakes, or becoming groundwater. Evaporation occurs when water is returned to the atmosphere from the ground, lakes, reservoirs, and plants. So it doesn't just evaporate from the oceans. Runoff happens when water does not soak into the ground, especially in areas where trees have been cleared. This speeds up water transfer. Humans may interfere when dams are constructed along rivers to control water flow for hydroelectric power generation and create reservoirs. Artificial lakes formed by dams provide recreational opportunities, but also increase evaporation, affecting the water cycle. The water table represents the top layer of saturated soil and rock, influenced by rainfall and seepage. Human activity and overuse may lower this water table or raise it dangerously in areas of new homes.